as we almost completed our chapter 8, one question was remaining in your activity book. So in the day when I'll do the activity book, that time we will start. So today we will start the new chapter, chapter 9, changing families. Okay. So how the changing families, chapter 9 in your textbook, changing families. So it is a story about few families and they are living, how they live, how their family members live together, and how the member of their families increased, and how they become change their routine and their habits. Kindly tell me whether it is audible to you. Are you listening or no? Not? Please write down. Is it my voice is audible? Okay, thank you. Now we will do changing families. So first of one, here are some pictures of the families are given. These are the families of Nimmi, Sering, Nazli. Let us look at their picture and talk about what we see in the discussion. So this is the family of, this is, see the picture, the first one picture is actually family of Nimmi's family, and she has a new baby sister. So just right now she got a baby sister, and that's why they are showing the nursing home where her father and Nimmi as well her grandmother is there, and another visitor is being seen, and then it is saw her mother is with the newborn sister, her father, Nimmi and grandma. So this is the picture of her family they are showing. Okay, and if we'll go for the next picture, so we can see this is again the Nimmi's family. They are returning back along with her newborn sister. Okay, and the another you see here is the uncle is there along with the Nimmi's father, mother and grandmother, and they are welcoming the new member of the family. Okay, so there are the three pictures from where we come to know Nimmi is living with her family members, and they are actually, who are the family members? Nimmi's mother, father, grandmother and uncle. They all are the family members of the family. They are living all together, and after the birth of the new baby, or after the birth of Nimmi's young sister, now one new family member increased in the family, and now they all will live together. So now within the textbook we will write the first answer, that who were the members of the Nimmi's family before the arrival of her sister, baby sister. So write down answer 1. Five members of Nimmi's family live together five members of Nimmi's family lived together before the arrival of her baby sister. And they were five members of Nimmi's family lived together before the arrival of her baby sister, and they were Nimmi, her mother, father, grandmother, and uncle. So these were the five members altogether. Before her sister's arrival, they all were living together. They were Nimmi, her mother, father, grandmother, and uncle. Now, the second question, how many okay. Next one is how many members are there in Nimmi's family now? Now there are one member increase. So now in Nimmi's family there are 6 members, isn't it? So write down the answer to this is page number 67. Okay, the answers of page number 67 it is page 67, yes, page 67 in your textbook. Now next one is how many members are there in Nimmi's family now? Write down there are there are 6 members. There are 6 members in Nimmi's family. So there are 6 members in Nimmi's family now. Yes, you can write there are 6 members in the family right now or now, whatever. Now let's talk. How do you think the lives of Nimmi's family member have changed after the arrival of her new baby? So it is written, how will Nimmi spend her day now? Yes, how she will spend the day? Nimmi will spend her day now playing with her baby sister. It might be not, but it is to be assumed. Okay, so we all are writing on our assumption. So the answer 3, let's talk. Answer 3, Nimmi will spend her day Nimmi will spend her day now playing with her playing Nimmi will spend her day now playing with her sister. Yes, you can write baby sister. Okay. Now the next answer. May I rub the first one? First answer, may I rub it? Everybody written. Okay, thank you. So. the next question is given here. How will Nammi spend her day? It is written. What new work will her mother to do now? So what she has to do? Now she has to look after her baby sister also. Answer 4. Her mother has to look after her mother has to look after her newly born sister along with Nimmi. Along with Nimmi. So her mother has to look after her newly born sister along with Nimmi right now. So what new work will her mother has to do? Her mother has to look after her newly born sister along with, no, not have, it is has. Her mother is a singular person, okay? Has to look after. Yes. Now, next question is given. There will be a change in the daily work of Nimmi's sister and Nimmi's father, grandmother and uncle with the arrival of the new baby. Can you tell how? Can you tell? Yes, their daily work routine of all members of Nimmi's family has been changed. Yes, daily work routine of all members of Nimmi's family has been changed. Has been changed. So one by one we will write. For example, these all are assumption. If you think that I'll do something else, then you can write down, okay? For example, Nimmi will spend her days now Nimmi Nimi will spend her days now playing with her baby sister. Her mother will now look after her newly born baby Nimi's father grandmother and uncle will now have to give more time to the family. They will also have to help they will also have to help Nimi's mother in taking care of the baby and doing other household work works. Okay, so this is the change in all together. Actually, Nimi will spend her days now playing with her baby sister. Her mother will now look after her newly born baby. Nimi's father, grandmother, and uncle will now have to give more time to the family. They will also have to help Nimi's mother in taking care of the baby and doing other household works. So this is about the change in the family matter. And there are, has a small brother or sister have born in your home or in any house in the neighborhood, how does it feel to have a new baby at home? and how have things changed at home with the new baby. So you will write these answers. So the homework, 68 page questions, all are the homework, because these are total your experience, so I will not write. Page 68 and 67. Few questions are also there. 67 homework. You will write the answer. If anybody is being born in your if anybody is being born, I have written so slowly, I hope you are able to write down. So you will get the video, but still I am telling you, 68 and 69, yes, 68 and 69 will be the homework. Okay, so you will write, because this is all about you. You will write your own experience, and next day I will take the another family about sharing. So you will write down. If any problem regarding your these questions, then you can ask me. Okay, so that's all for the day, and have a nice day. Kindly give your presents. Who are presents, please write down present, ma'am, so that I can take your attendance. Okay, thank you everybody. হ্যাঁ দেখি, তা খুব মানে যাচ্ছে না চট করে।